Hello and welcome to my garage, where I'm going to show you two ways to load an AR-15 magazine. One is fairly traditional, one I don't see too many people do, so I thought I would share it with whoever's interested. The traditional way is take the bullet, put it on top of the magazine like that, press, and it clips in there. Take the next one, put it right on top, press, and you're in. Very straightforward. A different way to do it is to lay out your bullets like this, turn the magazine over with the curve away from you, line it up, and press down. Magazine is now loaded. Pretty easy. Enjoy.